In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate your way through the Shopee platform, focusing on viewing your cart and proceeding to checkout. Whether you're new to online shopping or a seasoned pro, this guide will help ensure your experience is smooth and straightforward. Let's begin by finding your way to Shopee's website. If you've never visited the site before, just open up your web browser, type Shopee into the search bar, and click on the official site link. If you've already set up an account, make sure you're logged in to access all your saved items and previous purchases. This is essential for accessing your cart and managing your orders efficiently. Once you're on the Shopee homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll find an icon that resembles a shopping cart. This is your gateway to managing all the items you've decided to purchase but haven't checked out yet. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a detailed view of your shopping cart. Inside your cart, you'll see a list of all the products you've added, each with details such as quantity, price, and any available discounts. Take your time to review each item carefully. This is a great opportunity to double-check sizes, colors, or variations to ensure everything is exactly as you want. If you spot anything that isn't quite right, maybe you've added one too many or selected the wrong color, now is the perfect time to make those adjustments. When you're satisfied with your selections, locate the checkout button. You'll typically find it at the bottom of the cart page. Clicking this will transition you to the checkout page where you can finalize your order. Here, you'll be able to view the total cost of your order, including any applicable taxes or shipping fees, all clearly itemized. It's important to review this information carefully to avoid any surprises when your bank statement arrives. As you proceed with the checkout, there might be several options for payment methods. From credit cards to e-wallets, choose the one that fits your preference and fill in any necessary details. If you have promo codes or coupons, this is the time to apply them for potential savings. Right before you place the order, make sure every detail is accurate from the billing information to the shipping address. This helps avoid any delivery mishaps and ensures that you receive your order promptly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can navigate Shopee effectively, from adding items to checking out with confidence. I hope this video has empowered you with the knowledge to make the most of your online shopping experience. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.